Hey, Dylan from Makita here again, and in front of me I've got the best cordless line trimmer you'll ever use. It's our DUR368 18V/2 cordless line trimmer. The DUR368 is another awesome example of a petrol replacement for the workplace or the backyard. With no fuel handling, no dead spark plugs to deal with or blocked air filters, and no hot loud petrol engine up by your head, our DUR368 gives you petrol performance with no fuss. Not only is the tool itself going to impress you, but the added value and reduced maintenance and running costs will too. Everything about the DUR368 is built to perform when you need it. If you're looking for a cordless line trimmer, it's hard to look past once you've had it in your hands. It's a well-weighted and balanced machine. The brushless drive motor is built into the head down low. This gives you the comfort while you're working and improves maneuverability. It's available in the ball handle setup like this and a D-loop handle as well. Using the same 18V LXT batteries which operate every other tool in the LXT range, our efficient brushless motor delivers up to a massive 6,500 RPM cutting speed with lower energy consumption for longer run times. You'll get up to 100 minutes of finger on trigger runtime under load using two Makita 18V LXT 5A power batteries. And what sets our DUR368 out from the rest is what I reckon are two of the best features in its class. The first being equipped with automatic torque drive technology, or ATD. The machine, it monitors what you're doing, monitors the workload, and it will automatically shift the speed and torque outputs on the head on the fly. This saves charge and extends the runtime of the tool. The second is the ability to run the cutting head in slow speed reverse. As we've all done, if the line trimmer tangles with some denser material, the operator can select reverse and pull the head free no problems. No more binding on the shaft or wrestling with the scrub, it's just a push of a button with your thumb. When it's put together, it's built with Makita's XPT. That's for added protection. Our unique Extreme Protection Tech is a series of integrated seals and channels. Basically, they're engineered in the design of the tool to direct dust and water out of the tool, increasing durability and, more importantly, the longevity of your tool. Well, thanks for watching. If the DUR368 cordless line trimmer from Makita is the tool for you and you want to know more, or you want to check out the rest of our range here, head to our website, the www.makita.co.nz.